Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Here's a quick video of how to replace the turn signal on a 2001 BMW 325ci. A lot of the videos I see say you pop the hood, come here and there's a screw, but mine just has this plastic piece. There is no screw. So what you need is a long flathead, and there's gonna be a tab in the back. It's a little white tab. Anyways, you push down on the tab and rotate the screwdriver towards the back of the car, and it pops it out just like that. And then it'll wiggle out. Here's that tab that you push down on. So again, this plastic piece is gonna be in the way, this black piece. That's from the headlight. You're looking for this white one. So down and push it out, and then that's it. Unplug it, quarter turn, change your bulb, and then you slide it back in and it pops in place. I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, comment down below. And as always, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for stopping by.